Oh yeah, me again. My CPU is here, and I've gone for this one. It's a 56500, I think. Yeah. AMD Ryzen 55600G, because I'm not putting a graphics card in it, because this is not for gaming really. So even though apparently this plays something like, I don't know, 99% of the games out there, you know, whether it be on low graphics setting or whatever, I haven't got a clue. But yeah, so there he is. It's 4.4 gigahertz max, 6 core, 12 threads, and base clock is 3.9 gigahertz. So I just thought quite a nice little thing. Paid just over £100 for it. So cheap. Let's have a look, see what's in there, see what we get in the box. Oh yeah, so there's the nice chip, little Ryzen 5 sticker, it's quite nice. This must be like a warranty thing or something. To be fair, oh, it actually tells you how to, it's instructions. Nothing else in the box, just a bit of padding or wadding or whatever you'd like to call it. Comes with a little CPU fan. Just trying to look to see how to undo the box properly. Oh yeah, so you undo it upside down. These things never want to come out. Not intact anyway. Oh yeah, a nice little fan. As you can see, it's got the paste on there, basically ready to screw on. But I won't be using this one, even though they are really good fans. This one all lights up and all that sort of malarkey. But yeah, pretty cool. Now I always like AIOs is the ones I like. So yeah, but yeah, it's quite cool. Ha, cool bit. So that's it. That's what you get in the box. You get yourself a fan and the processor. But yeah, I've gone for this one because I don't want to mess around paying out loads of money for a graphics card like I have in my gaming PC. This one is like a bit of a work PC, but not that much work. So that's why I just went for a 6 core and thought, yeah, I'll get one with the graphics on it. And yeah, so it's not too old, it's not too shabby, it's quite cool. Should look good in the motherboard I bought. But yeah, so that's it really for that. There isn't really anything else I can tell you. I'll put a link in the description to where I got it from. So you know, if you want to follow along and build the same build as what I'm building and that. So this is all going in that case that I customized. Yeah, so should look quite cool when I've finished with it. I'm waiting for a lot of fans and that to turn up, so I'm going to put a load of fans in it like I did my black one. So yeah, this is basically the white one where I've converted all the glass and everything on it. So it should look pretty good. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Get out and ride.